Hi, how are you? Ali with DA Home Design. We come with beautiful kitchen that we recently done. Here was wall between the kitchen and dining room and like breakfast room, and they have opening in here to this side. They had the like 2 column there. They had 2 column and wall here. We removed all of that. We gave them very nice, beautiful open kitchen and a nice sink, 48-inch sink with double faucet. We gave them very beautiful space for cooking with the nice range. This is like piece of art that you can have it as an accent in the kitchen with the metal frame. We gave them very small bar with the same metal glass and metal frame and glass, and same cabinet color as the island color. And here it was like a very big pantry in this side. We remove it and we gave them like second kitchen area with the sink, dishwasher, double oven and a pantry to give them more space in case if they have any party or anything, they can use it. Please comment me below if you have any question. We are here to help you. Thank you and have a good one.